Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk about the control function. So we will discuss control along with A to Z alphabets, what are their uses. Control plus A. If you press control and A together, then you can use it to select the data. So here is an example. This is a Word file and I want to select, let us say, the entire text. So I can simply press control and A. So it is going to select the entire data. Control plus B. If you use control and B key together, then it is used to make a text in bold. So let us try to understand it. So here is a Word file and I want to, let us say, make this particular part in bold. So select it and press Control B. You can see the text has changed to bold. Control C. Control C is a formula used to copy a text. So here is a Word file and let us say in this I want to copy this first paragraph. Then Control C. So by doing Control C, we have copied this, and by using Control V, I can paste it anywhere. Control D. Control D function has three uses. So first use is we can delete any folder. So let's take an example. I have created a new folder here and select this folder and press Control D. It will delete this folder. Second use is to copy downward in an Excel. So here is an Excel and let us say I want to copy this data till this row. So press Control D. Same data is being copied. Third use of Control D is to bookmark a page. So open a browser, a page which you want to bookmark, and then go for Control D. So it will open the bookmark tab. From here you can done it, and then subsequently when you want to retrieve this page, go to these three dots. There you can go to bookmark, and there you can get this page which you have bookmarked. Control E. Control E is used to move the cursor in a web page to the address bar. So take an example. Here is a web page and press Control E. Automatically your cursor has moved to the address bar. Control F. Control F is used to open the find window. So take an example. Here is an Excel sheet. Press Control F. This find and replace window will open. Here you can put, let us say I want to find it out 1, 2, 3. So it will find out. Similarly, this can be used in Word also. Control F, and then you can write, let us say I want to find out this video word. Videos. Control G. Control G is used to go to a particular place in a file. So take an example. Here is Excel and I want to go to this particular cell. This is C8. So I press Control G and press C8 and OK. It has taken me to that particular cell. So in a big Excel file where a lot of data is there, this formula can be useful. Similarly, in Word file, you can use Control G and you can go to a particular page. Take example, I want to go to page number 3. Go. So it has taken me, the cursor has automatically come to page number 3. And here you can see it's page 3 of 5. Similarly, you can use the other functions also in Word. Control H. Control H is a function used to go to the browsing history of a browser. So take an example. This is a browser. I'll press Control H and it has taken me automatically to the history function. Control I. Control I is used to convert a text into italic form. So here is a Word file and let us say I want to convert this entire text into italic. Simply I will select it and press Control I. So this entire text is converted into italic. And when I again repress the Control I, it has again taken it back to the original form. Control J. Control J is used to straight away go to the download history. So in the browser, so I press Control J, it has taken me to the download history in the browser. Second use of Control J is for justifying alignment. So here you can see this text is not properly aligned, some gap is there. So if I want to align it properly, then I press select it and press Ctrl J. It will align it. Ctrl K. Ctrl K is used to insert hyperlink. So take an example. This is a Word file and I want to insert a hyperlink here. So I'll select this and then press Ctrl K. It will open the insert hyperlink window. Now I want to insert a hyperlink from my desktop. So I'll select, go to here and then select the desktop. These are the files and I have created one file for hyperlink. This is a Word document. So I'll select it and you can see now the text color has been changed and our underline has come. And when you put a cursor on this one, you can see that this particular document for hyperlink.docx and the path is also given, is already linked to this. To open that document, you have to simply click this and you will be able to get the document. Ctrl L. Ctrl L is used to align the text in the left side. So take an example. This is a text I want to align left. So I'll select it and press Ctrl L. So you can see the text is left aligned. If I again press it, then it will be justified align. So this one is used to align the text to left. Ctrl M. Ctrl M is used to move the text to right side in a Word document. So take a case, this is a Word document and I want to move this text to right side. So I'll put the cursor there and press Ctrl M. Once it has moved this much, second, third, fourth, 5. So you can move it a number of times, and by backspace you can again put it in the original place from where it has been moved. Second use of Ctrl M is to insert a new slide in the PowerPoint. So here is a PowerPoint and I want to insert a new slide here. So I'll select this one and press Ctrl M and you can see a new slide has been inserted. Ctrl N. Ctrl N is used to open a new web page. So here is a browser and when I press Ctrl N, you can see a fresh web page has been opened. Ctrl O. Ctrl O, let us try to understand what is the use of Ctrl O. So we have opened the Word file and press Ctrl O. You can see this open window has been opened and you can accordingly do whatever with the function you wish to do from here. So you can save the file or you can open a new file or you can export it. This will work both in Word, Excel as well as in your PowerPoint also. Ctrl P. Ctrl P is a print command. So used to give the print command for that particular document. So here is a document. Then I open it and press Ctrl P. The print tab is open and now from here I can give the print command. This works good for all Excel, PowerPoint, Word as well as on browser. Ctrl Q. Ctrl Q is used to move the text in a Word file to the left side. So here is a text and this text is a little bit on the right side. So I'll put the cursor here and press Ctrl Q. So it has aligned it to left side. Second use of Ctrl Q is to close a PPT. So here is a PPT and when I press Ctrl Q, it is asking me to save the file. Once I save the file, this window will get closed. Ctrl R. Ctrl R is used to right align the text. So here is a text which is left aligned right now. So select this text and press Ctrl R. This text is right aligned. When you again press Ctrl R, it will again take it back to the original position. Second use of Ctrl R is to reload a web page. So here is a web page. So if I press Ctrl R, it is refreshed and reloaded. Ctrl S. Ctrl S is a save file command. It works on all Excel, Word as well as PowerPoint. So you can open anything and then press Ctrl S. You can find this save window has opened. You have to name the file and it will get saved. Ctrl T. Ctrl T is used in Excel to create a table. Take a case. This is the data is available. So you want to create a table here. Go to that cell and press Ctrl T. Now in this you can select the data and then accordingly press OK. So a table will be created. So you can see the table has been created. Second use of Ctrl T is in PowerPoint. It can be used to increase the font size. So here is a PowerPoint. Press Ctrl T and then the font window will get open. From here you can change the font size, font type, style, etc. Third use of Ctrl T is in a browser window. So it will open a new browser window. So here is a internet, my Google Chrome browser, and then press Ctrl T. So you can see a new tab has been opened. Ctrl U. Ctrl U has two uses. In browser page, you can find the source code by pressing Ctrl U. So here is a web page. When I press Ctrl U, the source code page has been opened. Second use of Ctrl U is to underline a text. So here is a text, select it and press Ctrl U. So this entire text has been underlined. Ctrl V. Ctrl V is a paste command. So by Ctrl C you can copy, and using Ctrl V you can paste it. So here is a text. Let us try to paste it. So first use Ctrl C to copy and then Ctrl V to paste it. Ctrl W. Ctrl W is used to close a tab. So here is a tab, 3 tabs are there. So go to it and press Ctrl W. You can see the tab has been closed. Again I am pressing Ctrl W, another tab has been closed. And when I press the third, the browser has been closed. Ctrl X. Ctrl X is a command to cut a particular document or a particular text. So you can see from here, this is a document. I select it and press Ctrl X. You can see it has the resolution has got reduced because it has been cut, and then I can paste it wherever I wish to. Let us take an example. I wish to paste it in a new folder. So I select it, open the folder, Ctrl V. So this has come here from this desktop. Similarly, in a text, I wish to, let us say, cut this portion. So select it and go for Ctrl X. So by Ctrl X, I am cutting this portion, and if I want to paste it somewhere else, I have to use Ctrl V. Ctrl Y and Ctrl Z. Ctrl Y is a redo function and Ctrl Z is a undo function. So here is a Word file, and take an example. I am cutting this particular paragraph, so I have used Ctrl X to cut this. Now to undo whatever I have cut, I have used Ctrl Z. So this paragraph has re-emerged, and if I use Ctrl Y, it will again redo. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel.